This brand is made in China and is available online at Amazon, but their guarantee is very minimal when compared to other brands. The units are Wi-Fi enabled and respond to Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. The QWT U-Shaped models are for cooling only and are available in 3 sizes from 8,000 to 12,000 BTU. They feature a unique design where the window can be opened and closed even with the unit installed and leaves the compressor section, which produces the most noise, outside. The result is a 42 decibel sound level, which is about the same as a light rain. The units use state-of-the-art inverter compressors and have a 15 EER efficiency. The ComfortSense models use R410A refrigerant, which is not as planet-friendly as R32 and have only a 10.3 EER efficiency. They feature a temperature-sensing remote control that provides enhanced comfort. The SmartCool units are designed to work with the M Smart Home ecosystem and have voice control as well as control from your smartphone. They have a good 11.4 EER efficiency and horizontal swing louvers to better distribute the air throughout the room. They have eco and sleep modes for energy savings as well as the ability to schedule unit operation, but they use R410A refrigerant. The brand also offers models with mechanical controls, but they are not reviewed and never recommended because, even though they are cheap, the cost of operation will quickly eat up any initial price savings. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.